you are, Manisha. Hey,
Hi.
Manisha, what's up? How are you doing, huh?
Hello. I'm doing great. How are you, Sarush?
I'm good, Manisha. I'm good, Manisha. It's great to see you. I love the background. So vibrant and awesome. Everything, Manisha. I have to say, everything is perfectly situated. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Absolutely great to see you, Manisha. I'm going to hand it off to you again. Manisha Sajnani, certified yoga instructor, speaking to us today about not only mental health but physical health by what Manisha practices and teaches by way of yoga. Thank you so much again, Manisha, and I will exit smoothly.
Absolutely. Thanks, Sarush. Hi, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and quickly share my screen here. I am so excited to be here with you all today. And thank you so much, Sarush and the Eventcombo team, for having me. As Sarush just introduced, I'm Manisha Sajnani. I also go by Isha. I am a digital strategist at Abbott, currently working full time, but I also am a yoga practitioner and I practice and teach yoga, something that I do by passion and something that I've been doing over 9 years. How about I let you experience and give you a little glimpse of what this is all about? So, we're going to start with a little guided meditation just for a few minutes. And if you're sitting on a chair, you can, get into a comfortable position, or if you're sitting on the floor, no matter where you are, get into a comfortable position. I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to start taking some normal inhales and normal exhales. Just a transitional breath in and out. I'm going to say a small mantra for your inhales and your exhales. Mantra is so hum. So is your inhale, and hum is your exhale. So when I say so, you inhale. And when I say hum, you exhale. You do that a few times. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. Continue breathing. With every inhale, start becoming more and more aware of your breath. With every exhale, just let it all go. You're in this moment right now. What would it take for you to just be? Just be in the present moment. To forget the past, the future, and just stay in the present. You're here for a very short while, so make the most of it. So, hum. So, hum. Any thoughts come in your mind? Let them come. Just imagine your thoughts like they were little clouds. It's a passing cloud. See the thought in a passing cloud. You let it come, you acknowledge it, and then you let it go. Don't force it. Continue being aware of your breath, being aware of your inhales and exhales. You maybe even be aware of your thoughts. Just don't be disturbed. Just be aware. Let them come and then let them go. Continue to stay present. And as you inhale all the good things that life has to offer, all the positive vibes. And as you exhale, you just let it all go. Just let the tension release from your shoulders, neck, your back, any part of your body that's troubling you right now. Continue breathing. Your breath has a lot of power. It's the first thing we did when we were born, and it's the last thing we will do when we die. So there's a lot that goes on behind breathing. So never underestimate the power of your breath and what it does for your body. This is your moment. This is your one little time that you have to completely let go and just be in the present and be in the now. So embrace it. As you continue breathing, slowly start gradually coming back into where you are, becoming aware of your surroundings. Maybe there's a clock ticking close by, maybe the sound of your own breath, maybe there's someone talking somewhere, or some faint humming sound of the air conditioner or whatever you have going on in your house or your surrounding. Just completely become aware of that as you start bringing your body back into the present moment, into the here and now. Continue to breathe. So, I would like to end this beautiful session um, with um, a few words that I wrote about my belief in yoga that I would like to share with you all. I believe that yoga is honoring what my body is designed to do by respecting its limits. I believe that yoga is driving transformation from inside out. I believe that yoga is aspiring to make my body the best version of what it's meant to be rather than forcing it to look like somebody else. I believe that yoga is feeling at home in my own body. I believe that yoga is focusing on progress, but also being content with where I am right now. I believe that yoga is less of who I've been and more of who I'm becoming. I believe that yoga is being able to see the strength in vulnerability instead of weakness. I believe that yoga is love in all its abundance waiting to be radiated all around. I believe that yoga is a sudden bolus of enlightenment, sprinkled with some fun in the process. I believe yoga is celebrating the you in you. I believe that yoga is the chronic wellness of the mind, body, and spirit. I believe that yoga is all of this and so much more that is yet to be discovered through the rest of this journey. Namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed putting this together for you. Thank you.